Well, good morning. It's Saturday and we're off to Lille today, but we're starting here in Rotterdam Central Station. So catching the train down to Brussels Zuid Midi and then on another service down to Lille, which is a town in northern France. So come along for another adventure. So on platform 4 this morning. The other day when I caught the same train down to Brussels Airport, it left from platform 2. So never rely on consistency here. Sometimes it's on platform 3. And nothing up on the board yet, but we'll check that in a minute. There's platform 2 over there. That's where the Eurostar comes in. Eurostar has a few different services throughout the day. And over there you'll see the Eurostar lounge. How's your trip so far, Brett?
Oh, very good, thanks, Paul.
Where are you off to today?
Oh, we're off to a place called Lille, France.
Very good. Just coming into Brussels Zuid Midi, which is the end of the line for this train, and then we've got about an hour wait before we jump on to the next train to Lille. So different train service. But, you can see all the graffiti. We often comment how much graffiti there is in Brussels. It's phenomenal how much graffiti there is, particularly on the trains. But almost every piece of concrete does have some graffiti on it. Hopefully you get a sense there of the old town. And just a pretty
Reizigers, het volgende station is Brussels Zuid Midi, eindbestemming.
We're at Brussels Midi, waiting for the train to come in.
Voiture, le train IC à destination de 𝐿𝐶𝐘𝐒 via Termonde de 9h44.
There is the Eurostar to Paris, due to come in soon, but it's running a little bit late, and then we're the next train after that. Train coming in now. Someone said to me the other day about train spotting. Well, here we go. Here's some train spotting for you. So here we are, we've just arrived into Lille. We hopped off the train, the 𝐇𝐎𝐒, very fast train from Brussels, and half an hour later we're here in Lille. So we're now in France and exploring this northern city here in France. The main thing you may not be aware of is this is where Charles de Gaulle was actually born. So that's a claim to fame for Lille. So let's explore Lille. So Lille is still in what they call the Flemish area. So the Flanders region of this area. So similar to Belgium, but this will be of course French speaking. But there is Dutch spoken here as well. So this is the old quarter area. Have a look down this way. There's some French policemen here. I think this is the Opera House. It's the Opera House. Just coming up to the plaza area. And the statue up here. Souvenirs over there.
Did you say whereabouts the little holes were?
No. She said you'd find them, and I went, okay. Now this one, what you mean here, like this type of stuff.
Yeah. Just random places, I guess.
Something for the honey?
Yeah.
The mosaic up here. Yeah, you've got Louis Vuitton in there. There's a lot of high-end fashion shops here. It's fairly busy, a lot of people around. That's a good vibe. Somewhere different to go and see while we're in Europe. Got some nice cakes and patisseries. Look like we've come across the Australian bar and Cafe Oz. So come all the way to Lille, and here we have the Australian bar. I'm on the video. How are you, champion? Yeah. So lots of shopping in this old town. Passage to the Notre Dame. Here we go. Finally found it. Took a while to get here. There we go. Main entrance is at the front. This church is famous because it's been continually built on because they've run out of money over time. So you can see here the old and the new because it's been continuously extended, but they ran out of money in building it. So yeah, they ran out of money while building it, so it's been extended over time as they've got funds. But we'll try and go inside and show you. You can see, I'll try and get up there later, but this is all new. This part here is all added on. So they originally run out of money. We'll go in and have a look. So this is inside the cathedral. This is very famous. This is supposed to be for healing and stuff like that. It's supposed to. There's a big, everything you can see up there, but big pipe organ, and all the way up. And beautiful stained glass. You can see the ceiling up here, just incredible, of the original church. Chapel of St. Jean. Chapel illustrates the link between faith and reason. Faith and reason tend towards one and the same objective of the truth. They complete one another, and do not exclude one from the other. So again, some beautiful stained glass. Beautiful mosaic tiles. And again, beautiful stained glass. So this church has actually been here since the 12th century, and over time it's been continually extended. In fact, it wasn't actually fully finished until around 1999, and as I said before, they did run out of funding, and they've continued to build out this Notre Dame Cathedral. But yeah, very old property, cathedral, and just amazing to visit.